Millersville Daily News. Test Day, August 21st.
Local teacher wins national award. Science teacher, Laura Higgs, will receive a special award from the National Green Association, a non-governmental organization for the protection of nature.
The award is for her work protecting the old oak trees on Sunset Avenue. Thanks to her, progress and nature grow side by side in our town.
The award ceremony will take place tonight at City Hall.
News from City Hall. Don't miss Chat with the Mayor tonight, at 9:30 on Channel 8. Mayor Cummings promises important news for our community.
Bye, have a good night, I hope to see you there.
Good night.